Guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to walk through how to apply an e-visa to Mongolia. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, e-visas are becoming popular every day with more and more countries migrating to e-visa because they provide very easy options to apply, and even for government it's very convenient because people can do it anytime and it boosts tourism as well. All right guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened official Mongolia e-visa portal, and as you can see here that these nationalities do not even need a visa to apply to travel to Mongolia. Again, there could be some restrictions based on the number of days that you can stay on a single entry, so that you can find out. So when you are going to apply 3 steps: apply, pay, and receive visa. That's perfect. So when you come here, click on apply visa, select your nationality. Let's say you're an Indian national. Type of passport, let's say ordinary. Applying for tourism, and you need to put email address. Click on next, and then it's going to send a code to your mail that you need to enter. So I'm going to do. So what it does is, like, it's going to ask you for uploading documents. Okay, next stage, after you click on the, like, it sends you an email with a link. You click on the link and you reach here, and then you need to upload your documents, and then it's going to take you to the next page. I'm not sure if I will be able to bypass this or not, but let me give it a try. I'll see you guys if I can. So luckily I was able to pass through this. Now you need to put your information. It may read from your uploaded images also. It's an artificial, because I uploaded one and it could not read. So it's not letting me. Like, I uploaded this one sample, but it's not able to. That's why. So basically it will read the information from there, and some of the fields you can do. So this is personal info, supporting documents, invitation, hotel reservation, medical, proof of funds, ticket, other. So you need to apply that, and then once you go to next, it will ask for the purpose and duration, and then confirmation, and from there it will take you the payment page. So that's how you can apply. So unfortunately I could show you only up to here, but at least you got an idea. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.